In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OneDrive account in Windows 10 5 minutes. We'll set up OneDrive so your files are safely backed up and easy to access across your devices. Start by looking at the right side of your taskbar near the clock for the small cloud icon. That's the OneDrive icon. If you don't see it immediately, click the arrow to show hidden icons. Still can't find it? Tap the Start button and type OneDrive to open it. When the OneDrive window appears, click Sign In or Get Started if it's your first time. Both options take you into the setup flow. This is the built-in OneDrive app for Windows 10, so there's nothing extra to download. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. This is the same account you might use for Outlook, Microsoft 365, or other Microsoft services. Enter your email and password, then continue. If your organization uses Microsoft accounts for work or school, you can use that here as well. If you don't have an account yet, choose Create One in the same window. You can use an existing email address or create a new Outlook address. Follow the on-screen prompts, set a strong password, and complete any verification steps that appear. Once you're signed in, the setup wizard will guide you through a few choices. You'll see the default location for your OneDrive folder on your PC. Most people can keep the default, but if your system drive is low on space, choose Change Location and pick a different drive. You'll also see an option to choose which folders to sync. Selecting fewer folders helps save space and speeds up the first sync. You can always change this later in OneDrive settings. When the setup finishes, you'll be fully signed in. You'll notice a OneDrive folder in File Explorer on the left sidebar. Inside, any file you add will be synced to the cloud. The cloud icon in your taskbar will show status, spinning arrows for syncing, green check marks for up to date. If you hover over the icon, you'll see a quick summary of what's happening. With everything connected, your files begin syncing between your PC and OneDrive. To fine-tune what syncs, open the OneDrive menu from the cloud icon, go to Settings, then choose Folders. Files on Demand is usually enabled, which means you can see all your files without downloading them until you open them. Great for saving local space. For the first large sync, keep your PC powered and on a stable connection. If you're on a metered network, you can pause and resume sync from the same menu. That's it. Your OneDrive is set up, signed in, and syncing on Windows 10.